In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Gacha Life to background. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily change the background in Gacha Life 2. I'm gonna showcase how to do this, and I'm gonna show you a lot of examples. To do this, go into Home, and then look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the settings icon, the mail icon, and in the middle of both of them, you will find the background options. So tap on this icon here. Once you tap on this icon, you can see all of the backgrounds available. So you can tap on these preset backgrounds here, and they will be applied immediately. So as you can see, this one moves in the background, it looks incredibly pretty, and you can freely swap between them. You will have 12 pages of backgrounds. So for this video, I'm not going to showcase every single one of them, but you can experiment and find the one that better suits your character or the scene that you are currently making. When you tap on any of them, they will be applied right away, and you can freely swap. You will have some other options for the gradient as well, so you can sort of notice in the background the gradient is changing every time that I choose these options. So you can choose one color, another one, and they will be used for the gradient. If the opacity is set to 100%, they will simply be fully visible. So of course it isn't going to look the best, so make sure to lower the opacity if needed. This way you can still see the actual background. So lower the opacity to make them slightly transparent, and you can still see the background. I'm not going to go super in depth about how to use these gradients, but they can give your creations a different effect. So experiment and freely swap between any of these backgrounds available here in Gacha Life 2. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.